As you know that relations between mainland China and Pakistan dates back to more than 7 decades, and we have deep-rooted relationship with the mainland China. Now Hong Kong is a special administrative region of China, and we are enjoying very good relationships with the government of Hong Kong SAR. In order to strengthen the relationship between Pakistan and this special administrative region, we are working on various fronts. In the field of economics, we are working in to enhance trade between the two countries. We have achieved trade between the two countries almost $1 billion per annum. Now, we are focusing to export agro products to Hong Kong, which are in high demand in this region because it produces no agriculture products. So we are trying to enhance our exports of meat and poultry products, our fruits and vegetables, mandarin, mangoes, and similar kind of other products. We are also working to enhance trade of gems and jewelries and minerals from Pakistan to this part of China. In order to promote tourism, as Pakistan is focusing on promotion of natural and religious tourism, we are trying to arrange, when the pandemic is over, we will arrange certain delegations to visit our northern areas, Gilgit-Baltistan, and our other historical places, religious sites for various religions. And in other area of education, we are trying to forge alliances with the Cyberport Authority, with the Hong Kong Science and Technology Park, and with the other reputable universities in Hong Kong. Already more than 500 Pakistani students are studying in Hong Kong, and we are trying to promote the education opportunities which are available in Hong Kong, and at the same time we are trying to create alliance between the Pakistani higher education institutions and Hong Kong education institutions. So we are working in different areas under the Belt and Road Initiative. There is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, that is a flagship project of mainland China. So already Hong Kong companies are investing a lot of money in Pakistan. We are trying to pursue other companies to come in Pakistan and invest in special economic zones developed along the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. So I think in future there will be much more broader and deeper cooperation between Pakistan and Hong Kong SAR. It's a very unique project of mainland China, as this Greater Bay Area comprises of almost 86 million people, and its GDP is more than 1.7 trillion US, which is a big amount, almost equal to the size of GDP of Korea and Russia and other big economies. There are a lot of opportunities which will emerge as a result of deeper integration between different regions of the Greater Bay Area, as these areas have their comparative advantages, and this deeper integration will further strengthen and leverage those comparative advantages. In Guangdong, there are a lot of industries which are very innovative and exporting to the to all the countries of the world. So as a result of this integration, there will be synergies, and all the comparative advantage will leverage each other, and as a result there will be more progress in this area. The people of these areas will find opportunities to travel, to work, and to have more employment, living opportunities. And I think that in future this integration will bring more prosperity for all the people of this region. And in that, and during this course of integration, we will like to have more cooperation between the mainland China, between Hong Kong SAR, and especially this Greater Bay Area regions, to strengthen our relationship, to have more exports to this area, and to have more investment from this area, so that our relationship could be more strengthened and those could be taken a step further.